Hello viewers, please encourage our talent and like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. You can also be a part of our art gallery. So send your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID and contact us in our WhatsApp number. We provide online coaching also. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Vishwajit and representing Doremi. I have come up with a new videos. You need to watch the full video, don't skip the video, and please like, comment, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt, you can comment us and please send your artwork, art videos in our WhatsApp number, because Doremi is a platform nourishes the star to shine. So join our platform and keep shining bright. So here is our part 1 video, Rath Yatra Special Drawing. In this drawing we will learn only drawing. And the next part, another part we will learn coloring. So let's start our drawing. So take your paper in portrait format. The left side of your paper, draw oval shapes and draw a line in the middle of the oval shapes. Now draw the body. We are going to draw a stick human figure. So body will be 2 times bigger of the head and legs will be 4 times bigger of the head. 2 times will be up to the knee, after more 2 times is up to the feet. So I have make a separate video how to draw the stick figure. So go and watch that. Now up to navel we have to draw the upper part of the hand and lower part of the hand will be up to thigh. And also we have drawn the hand palm. So this is our stick figure. We are going to draw Rath Yatra Special. So here we are not completing the drawing. We first will compose the drawing. First we have to compose the drawing. So it means our figure is going to stand at the left side of the paper, and the man, the hand is the right side hand, you can see. So man is going to hold something. So watch the drawing. So at the middle of the paper I am drawing a horizontal line, means a slipping line, not horizontal, slipping line, and on that line I am drawing a house, and this house is far from the human figure. This house is far from our human figure. So you can see my human figure is standing in front of the paper and the house is far. Now I'm erasing that line that we drew in the middle of the paper. So now you can see we are going to draw our Rath. Now Rath is closer to human figure just by his leg. The Rath is just by our human figure's leg, and we are drawing the Rath. But be very careful, your Rath should not be longer than the hand. Your Rath should not cross the hand. The right side there is a hand. Your Rath should not cross that hand. Here we are just drawing for understanding our composition, whether our composition looking is right or wrong. For this reason we are just very drawing very very light, so that if there any mistake we can easily erase. Now man is holding a rope. A rope is fixed with the Rath. This is the rope of Rath. So man is going to hold that. Now we have to draw one more slipping line, that is little closer of that house, and there is a grass around the house. There is also grass close to man, but students, they do the mistake, they make it very very big or broader. So it should not be that much of broader, it should be like that only. Now on that line is showing the road. You can see the road, and that road we are drawing another house. So that means there is a 2 house. Between the house between the two houses there is one road, and man is standing on the road, and there is one more line I have drawn, that is horizontal, and there where I have drawn trees also in very thin line, that is very far. So according to perspective, the drawing, the trees are looking smaller, but it is very far. Now there is one more tree, and leaves are almost touching the roof. It is already touched the window of the house, and the man is standing on the road with its rath. So you can see the composition. Now this is the time to draw our human figure. I am satisfied with my compositions. If you are satisfied with your composition, now start drawing your human figure. There is a nose line, mouth, this man is laughing, smiling, not laughing, smiling. There is a eyebrow, eyes, and the eye and nose. According to that line, there is a ear. Now here I have make a separate video for face. Now I'm drawing the shoulder. Go and watch the separate video of how to draw the face, so that you can clearly understand. Now I'm drawing my vest. The figure is wearing a vest, so I'm doing a dark line. Composition is done, so I'm drawing, because I'm confident that my composition is perfect. You can see. Now draw the hand. First it was one line, now I'm drawing a two line, so that it look like a real hand. Now I'm drawing the hand palm. Look at your close. There is a three line that shows four fingers, and man is holding. You can see the palm hand is closing. It is holding something. We have almost completed the left hand also. Now we will complete the waist. This is the hand of the waist, that is also completed. So this is the folding of the waist. Now I'm not going to draw the leg, because leg is hiding in dhoti. So man is wearing a dhoti, so inside the dhoti you don't have to draw the leg. So there is a foldings of dhoti. In our Jamai Sasthi Special Drawing, we use the same figure, so that it will be easier for you. Now I'm drawing the visible area where we can see the legs. Look, this leg is coming from the inside of the dhoti. Okay. The same leg, but looking is different, because there we can see both in different sides. The right one means right leg is turned in the right side, and the left leg turned in the front side. So you can see that we have drawn the fingers of the feet, and now I'm drawing a slippers. Now complete your dhoti. So our drawing is finished. I hope you have been able to understood. Now you need to repeatedly practice this drawing. If you good in drawing, your coloring will be also good. There is some grass in front. Now look, our composition is looking so tight and so interesting. So here you can understand there is a house behind of the man. Man is standing in the road. Look carefully. First, while you are doing the composition, first starts with a human figure, with stick figures only. Look, the proportion is correct or not. After that, you draw the background. If you are satisfied with your background, then you draw the human figure. Now is your turn. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.